Right. So, good morning, everyone. Good morning, ma'am. I'm Himanshu Sharma, the design engineer of Team Quantum Racing. Along with me, I have Yashka Thakur, the resource manager. So, first, I'll be introducing what is F1 in schools, and Yashka will be introducing something about ma'am. So, F1 in schools is a unique global challenge. Teams of students aged 9 to 19 design, construct, and race miniature F1 in schools cars powered by a compressed air cylinder. The challenge inspires teams to use it to learn about physics, aerodynamics, design, manufacturing, graphics, marketing, teamwork, media skills, and apply them in a competitive yet practical and exciting way. Team Quantum is a team of six 11th grade students from Amity International School, Southgate. We are currently competing in the national finals of F1 in schools.
Um, Today we have Yogita Kadran ma'am here with us today. She is the founder and director of Mano Samvad organization, a counseling psychologist, a clinical hypnotherapist, a new code NLP, and a positive psychology practitioner. Also, she is a web administrator at Indira Gandhi National Open University. We are grateful that you are here with us today, ma'am. As a part of our F1 project, we started a campaign, Reset Normal, and Yogita Kadyan ma'am will guide us today regarding the social and mental issues we all have faced or are currently facing in this time of pandemic.
Thank you so much, Yeshika, for inviting me, and I must congratulate your team. You are doing a wonderful work. I'm amazed to listen so many things you people are doing at this small age, right? So I
Yes,
really
ma'am.
congratulate you, all of you, for starting this project, and I'm really grateful for inviting me and giving our Manasambad an opportunity to provide that some kind of awareness to us.
Our pleasure, ma'am. Himanshu will now start with the interview.
Right, so the first question to ma'am. The COVID 19 pandemic has brought about rather dramatic changes in our lives, and we humans have been forced to alter our lifestyle in ways we had never imagined before. Do you think that the post pandemic life will be similar to our old atmosphere of normalcy, or will there be a new normal very different from how our life was 2 years back?
Yes, Marsha, very good question. These days we hear a lot of things. New normal has come. Let me tell you, human beings are so, and human brain is so, it gets adapted to anything that comes new in their life very easily. And it finds it normal in a very few less time. Right? For example, लेते हैं. 2 years ago there was demonetization, right? If I ask you how does that 500 note looks like 2 years back, it will take few seconds and few minutes to realize. Now that 500 note is very normal for us, right? Which used to look very different few years ago. Everything which comes in our lives, 10 years ago, 20 years ago, nobody has thought of it. That, smartphones will be there. Everyone will be carrying a phone in their pocket, right? 10 years ago, nobody has thought online grocery shopping will be there, right? 5 years ago, I have not thought I will ever order the grocery from some online portal. But nowadays, Amazon and Flipkart, even Flipkart Geo, everybody has joined the wagon. People are buying this. So, this new normal, which you call, is very much normal now and it's going to stay here and it will be there. Be it social distancing, be it mask, be it, say, the purifiers which are coming nowadays, air concentrators that are coming nowadays, the you can see it every place. People are, having the social distancing, the queues also. Earlier, people don't make queues, they will jump into each other. Right? Everything which has come, online classes, if you talk about. In Delhi, at least 10 days will be folk vacation, 10 days will be at least pollution vacation. And that was a trend for last few years. But since now, it's an आवश्यक आविष्कार की journey है. So online classes have started because of some reason they go to stay. That when there are folk vacations, there are pollution vacations, there are some other extreme situations, will continue. Everything is going to continue. The variation may differ, the frequency, intensity may differ.
Yes, ma'am. Very nicely said, and I think
Thank you
we'll
so
all
much.
think about it more. Secondly, from the postponement of competitive exams, and recently 12 boards also got cancelled. So the past few months have brought very sweeping changes in areas that are the very pillars of our education system. And naturally, all students are worried about college admissions or higher studies and their future as a whole. And due to the second wave of coronavirus, everything was very much drastic. We had drastic changes in the education system and in every aspect of our life. So, what is your advice to those who are worried about their future and also have kind of lost hope and are really frustrated in this time?
I really feel sorry for no doubt for every citizen in our country, but especially for the children who are in their 12th class. For last 15 months they were waiting for this year to end, this academic year to end. And then there is added stress from the teachers, from the parents. Oh, 12th है, board है, पढ़ लो. Kind of ना, कितना पढ़ ले. मार्च से शुरू किया सेमेस्टर, फैब के आखिर तक खत्म हो जाना चाहिए था. दिसंबर से सिलेबस दिसंबर में खत्म होगा. Since then they are revising the same thing again and again and again. And human being is such, we like certainty, we like familiarity, we like reasons, right? Okay, let's take an example. Suppose you are supposed to meet somebody, Yajita. Okay, you are waiting in a cafe, and after that particular time, you called that friend and said, "I'm waiting for you so for so long, you haven't yet arrived." Friend tells you, "Oh, I'll be there in 30 minutes." Okay, you waited for another 30 minutes. And then after 30 minutes, you again call her. She's still not there. Then she will say, "Oh, I'll be there in 15 minutes, 20 minutes," right? After another 20 minutes, you will call again. "Oh, I'll be there in 10 minutes." You're again waiting endlessly, right? You have waited for more than 1.5 hours, right? But think of a situation if the very first time she would have told you, "अभी मैं घर से निकली हूँ, मुझे 1 घंटा लगने वाला है, रास्ते में ट्रैफिक होगा तो 1 घंटे ज्यादा लग जाएगा." You could have utilized that 1.5 hours somewhere, maybe window shopping, maybe going for some juice for anything you could have used, right? But अभी पता नहीं था कि कब आने वाला है, क्या होने वाला है. Same happens with the board exam. You're not aware कब होने वाले हैं, होंगे कि नहीं होंगे. Children are really frustrated. I understand this. Now, we're really thankful CBSE finally has taken this call to cancel the board exams because marks don't matter. If you ask any person of my age, what are your marks in 12th? Nobody can tell exact at least. Even if they can tell you the percentage, they can never tell you what they score in each subject. They can never tell you. Ask them. You will see the toppers of our school batch, our class batch. Maybe somewhere here, they may be who are just like failures in our class. They may be here, right? So marks cannot decide anything. Now coming to the terms of the students, yes, they are concerned how their admission process will take. So first thing, be sure you will do something good in your life because you have habit of sincerity of dedication. It goes in long run. So most of the exams these days are entrance exams. Board exams are just an eligibility criteria to enter that. You are preparing for your board exams, most of the syllabus is same. You are preparing for your entrance exams also, the syllabus has already been covered, revised multiple times. Right? So be sure of your own capabilities. You will do good. किसका एंट्रेंस होएगा एक्सेप्ट डीयू एग्जाम्स वहां परसेंटेज से थोड़ा सा ऊपर नीचे हो जाएगा जहां एंट्रेंस नहीं हो डेफिनेटली सी वो हर साल होता है हमेशा होता है अगर एग्जाम्स भी होते हैं बोर्ड एग्जाम्स किसी एग्जामिनर के पास कॉपी गई हो उसने अच्छे मूड से चेक की हो किसी के पास गई उसने थोड़ा सा लीनियंट मार्किंग ना की हो इवन देन दिस हैपेंस राइट so let them give their best and don't think that this is the only thing in your life. You must have seen many YouTubers today. What do you stand up comedy today? So if something you decide today is not going to last for the whole of your life, no, this is not the end of the world, right?
Thank you, ma'am. Last year, even we were in 10th and we experienced something like this only when our boards were constantly postponed and at the at the end cancelled.
I understand. I understand.
Now we come to the third question.
Yeah.
Over the past year, people have started paying more attention to issues of mental health and have opened up about their anxieties and problems. What, according to you, has led to this sudden change of attitude among the people? And do you think this will continue even after the pandemic is over?
So, Himanshu, basically, see, WHO has already warned the next pandemic is mental. Mental health was always important, is always important, will always be important. What has led to this change? See, वो कहते हैं ना, अगर suppose पत्थर 10वीं बार थोड़ी से टूटा, it does not mean the 9 steps were not important. Even people are recognizing the importance of mental health today. There have been many, things which has lead to this situation. There could be the presence of a school psychologist in every school. Because of that, children find it very normal to talk to a psychologist, to visit a psychologist, to talk about their issues, right? And the inclusion of psychology subject in all the streams. In 11th and 12th, you can opt, even if you are a science student, even if you are a commerce student, even if you are a psychology student. When students study psychology, even if they don't take it a full-time profession, they will talk about it with their friends. So these things gets normalized about this. And one of the main reasons could be, many celebrities are coming in open with depression. If you talk of Hollywood, many people have already been coming with this, right? But if you talk of Bollywood, Deepika Padukone, Anushka Sharma, Shah Rukh Khan, Randeep Hooda, right? Honey Singh. There have been many celebrities who came out in open and said it's very normal. It's like the way you get sick, with, like fever or something else, the same way you can have some mental health issue also. Right. So according to me, these things will become normal more and more. And this COVID time, many people are offering free counseling. Once people utilize their services, they see the difference, and then they know, oh, this is different from a personal help or personal guidance. Then they value it more. Like through Mano Samvad, we are also offering free counseling. For last more than a month, we are doing this. We have a team of more than 100 volunteers. Until date, we have been able to start counseling for more than 135 people. So when these 135 people will tell another 100 people, right? We will also open up in some forum, right? Not in ours. So that means definitely it's going to help in future.
Yes, ma'am, that indeed made us really think about things. And we were really frustrated earlier, but changing is just normal. And we used to also focus on mental health issues. Also, the pandemic has brought us all together as a family under one roof, and it also annoys us at times. Like, we all have gotten into a fight with family members at least once, or mostly more than once. However, but what we forget is that this time can be used to strengthen our bond. So, what are your thoughts about this? Amy?
बिग बॉस देखा होगा ना सब लोगों ने. Okay, let me take a more relevant example. शादी में सब लोग जाते हैं, बहुत सारा वैरायटी ऑफ फूड लगा होता है, कितना मजा आता है देख के. द एरोमा, द स्मेल, द प्लेजर टू ईट, है ना. आज ये सभी ट्राई करना है. व्हाट डिड यू डू? एक प्लेट लिया, सबका छोटा छोटा स्मॉल स्मॉल पोर्शंस लिया, एंड देन यू स्टार्ट एंजॉयिंग एवरी बिट ऑफ, राइट. यू लाइक इट, राइट. आज ये भी खाया, ये भी खाया, ये भी खाया, मजा आया, राइट. सपोज आई सी उस प्लेट में तुमने खाना लिया, पहले राइस डाला, उसके बाद दाल डाला, उसके बाद 2 गुलाब जामुन डाले, उसके बाद तुमने फिर एक और करी डाल ली, उसके बाद तुमने आइसक्रीम डाल ली, उसके बाद से पानी डाल दिया. हाउ यू आर गोइंग टू लाइक दैट? So what is happening now is, earlier home was something we looked forward to bring back. Okay, our home was different, school was different, workplace was different, sports place was different, relaxation with friends was different, partying with friends was different. Now everything has come under one. Okay, so it's like a खिचड़ी बन गई जैसे, right? जैसे मैंने बताया, तुम शादी का खाने का खिचड़ी कर लो, तो you cannot enjoy everything. फिर कितने दिन तक रहता है? एक दिन 2 दिन मजा आता है, उसके बाद दिन, राइट. एंड देन उसके बाद क्या हुआ? सी लास्ट लॉकडाउन में क्या हुआ? पीपल हैव एंजॉयड दिस टुगेदरनेस बिकॉज मम्स वर गिविंग गुड फूड बना के, यूट्यूब चैनल देख के, फोटो फेसबुक पे डाला, बिकॉज एवरीवन वाज फ्री, रिलेटिवली फ्री, राइट. देयर आर वेरी फ्यू केसेस. दिस टाइम unfortunately there have been so many cases. Many people are going through sickness, many people are going through grief, so they are struggling with their own things, right. अब ऐसे में helping hand नहीं है. घर की एडेड रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटीज है, चीज का वर्क प्रेशर है, बच्चों के स्कूल का काम का प्रेशर, राइट? So everyone is stressed and burned. On the top of that, they're not sharing with each other. If I have to share something with my son, I will think, oh, क्यों बच्चों को परेशान, बच्चों ने कुछ इशू है तो they will say, पेरेंट्स को बताऊंगा, they will never understand. It happens, right? So everyone is having their own share of problems. Everyone is struggling to resolve them, and they're not seeking help from each other. And on the top of that, I tell you, there is this grief was going on, sickness was going on, absence of helping hands was going on, and additional so much of pressure. Right? This situation is all. Please accept this is normal. This was bound to happen, right? क्योंकि सबको इतने सारे स्पेस की आदत हो गई थी, राइट? बहुत एकदम से स्पेस क्रंच हो गया है, राइट? So if we start seeing things from the other person's perspective, like if you look at me, Yasika, I'll ask you, what do you see? You will say a plain surface, right? If I'll see from this side, I'll say, no, 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 there are fingers bent on this side. You will say, are you mad? There is just a plain surface. I'll say, no, no, there are fingers. So if we try to see things from the different person's perspective, if we have empathy, like if children start thinking, oh, my parents are struggling, without helping hands. Our parents are struggling with their office pressure. Maybe they are, overworked. Let me try to give them some help, right? And if you cannot understand, children cannot understand the parents' perspective because they have never been there, right? At least parents can understand their children's perspective. They have been a child sometime. May not be in this situation, but they have been through your age, right? If we start understanding and looking at the things from the other person's perspective, definitely it will help and it will ease. And start talking, start sharing about each other. That is very important.
Thank you, ma'am. Your answer was very knowledgeable, and it will definitely help all of us in interacting with our family in a better way. So now we come to the last question. What would be your message to Team Quantum as well as the audience at large about dealing with the uncertainties of the time and maintaining their mental health?
See, Manju, as I already told you, our mind is such, which loves certainty. We don't want anything uncertain, right? So we become very uneasy in this kind of situation. If I talk about mental health, see, I ask you, what do you do to take care of yourself? You must be doing something to take care of yourself.
Yes,
Any
ma'am.
few things you must be doing on daily basis.
Yes, ma'am. Exercising daily for half an hour and taking care of my personal hygiene.
Exactly. Personal hygiene, exercising, you may be taking healthy food also, right? So when I ask people, what do you do on daily basis to take care of yourself? Everything they will tell me is physical effort, right? About mental health. What are you doing for a mentally stability, emotional well-being? What is being done? The way we maintain our physical hygiene. Why do we brush our teeth, take bath, change clothes every day? Right? Similarly, we can maintain emotional hygiene. We can clear our emotions. We can be aware of our emotions. And जैसे रात को सोने से पहले ब्रश करके सोते हैं ना, we need to cleanse our emotions as well. We need to talk about it with someone, be it writing in a diary, that will also be helpful. If you need help, you have your school psychologist. If you need more people, there are external factors also. So, as I told you, WHO has already warned mental health will be next pandemic. So take care of your emotions. देखो कोरोना आया ना, इम्यूनिटी स्ट्रॉन्ग करने की जरूरत थी. वो कितनी बिटर टेस्ट वाला काढ़ा था. Everybody has taken it, right? To strengthen our immunity. Now, if we know the next pandemic will be on mental health, how about giving it something nourished food? अच्छा बताओ, खाना एक दिन बासी खाओगे या गंदा खाओगे, 2 दिन जंक फूड से कुछ खा लिया तो क्या होगा? स्टमक अपसेट हो जाएगा, right? We are very aware of it. नहीं नहीं, खराब खाना नहीं खाना, बासी खाना नहीं खाना. It will upset us a lot, right? But what are we sending here? All undigested food, all negative things which are receiving from people. We take everything on our brain, ना? And then we say कि मेरा दिमाग क्यों खराब, right? So check what we are taking from people. What we take is not only in the form of food, in the form of thoughts. And emotions, behavior, thoughts, feelings, emotions, all are connected. all are connected. So we need to check what we are thinking, what we are doing, be aware of it. Since then, in case needed, seek help. That's very important. And let's all have hope. No doubt, Himanshu said, yes, healthy food, physical exercise will definitely give strength to your body. And mind and body are connected, right? And a healthy mind stays in a healthy body. But what about doing something for our brain and for our emotions, right? And have lots of hope. दुनिया में हर चीज के बाद जिंदगी अच्छी हुई है, बेहतर हुई है. लोगों ने इंडिया की बात करें तो 3-4 वॉर्स देखे हैं. वर्ल्ड की बात करें 2 वर्ल्ड वॉर्स हुए हैं, राइट. उस वक्त जो लोग ओलंपिक्स खेलने वाले थे, जो लोग आर्मी में लड़ रहे थे, जो लोग एक बहुत ही डीप डिप्रेशन से निकले थे, फाइनेंशियल क्राइसिस हुए थे बहुत सारे, उन सब से निकल के आज हम यहाँ आ गए हैं. यहाँ से निकल के भी आगे आ जाए, right? Have lot of hope. Hope is something which helps us to see the future in a very bright way. Always remember, there is always light at the end of the tunnel. And if there is no light at the tunnel, at the end of the tunnel, it's not the end, it's just a band. This shall be pass. So stay healthy, stay safe.
Yes, ma'am. Thank you so much.
Thank you, ma'am. Your
Wow.
answers were very knowledgeable.
And they were very soothing also for the mind also.
Thank you. Thank you.
We are very grateful to have you, ma'am. Thank you for taking out your precious time.
Thank you so much for inviting.
Our
Stay
pleasure,
safe, stay
ma'am.
healthy.
Thank you, ma'am.
Take care.
Thank you.
Thank you, ma'am. Same to you.